Across the Southeast, rescue efforts are underway in several states. At least 90 people have been reported dead across the U.S. Hundreds of roads are blocked or closed in North Carolina, where hundreds of people are still stranded in their homes or other places.
We've lost communications capabilities. It's very difficult for us to move around the community. Many of the roads are closed. Trees are down. We're clearing those as quick as we can. And a lot of the critical infrastructure that we become used to every day in normal times is now gone, and we have to work around it.
If you want to help the victims of Helene, you can take out your phone and scan this QR code that's on your screen. Atlanta News First has partnered with the Salvation Army to help with recovery. 100% of donations will go to the disaster relief operation. You can also find ways to contribute on helenehelp.org.